Hey guys, welcome back to 14 Things to Bake with the Kids. My name is Tammy and today we're going to be making blueberry and cherry muffins. For the full recipe, head to the Just Like Mummy's website over here. Before we start, make sure you wash your hands and preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Let's get into it. This is a quick and easy recipe. Let's start off by mixing our dry ingredients. So first we're going to mix our flour. So we're going to sieve it so that there's no hard and lumpy bits in it. Now you're going to put in your sugar, your salt, and your baking powder. Now mix it together. So now we're going to mix our wet ingredients together. We've got a melted butter over here, which has already been cooled. So let's add our milk inside. Our 2 eggs. One teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to squeeze lemon juice. Now we're going to whisk it together with a fork. Now we're moving on to a very gentle step. Firstly, we need to make a well in the flour for the wet ingredients. And you're going to gently pour it inside. Now you're going to fold in the wet ingredients. Keep folding until all your ingredients are mixed together. When we're at this stage, you now add in your cherries and your blueberries. And fold it in together. If your mixture is too thick, you can add a bit more milk. we're going to place our mixture into our tins. You can either use an ice cream scoop or 2 spoons. Now we're going to add sprinkled sugar on top of all of them. And now we're going to place them into the oven for 15 to 18 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Okay. These smell delicious. So there we have it, our Just Like Mummy's blueberry and cherry muffins. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know when our next video is out. Bye!